Hey everybody, BT here. You're about to watch a little video I made. It's short, it's funny. But before we do that, I'm kind of curious as to where everybody's coming from, how everybody's finding me, because, I mean, let's face it, I'm not exactly this big new thing out there. I'm just kind of starting out, and I haven't really found my niche. So I'm just kind of curious as to, somebody I know, how'd you find me? And if you've liked and subscribed to the channel, what was it that you liked and described? Hit me up in the comments. I'd really like to know what brings you here, what keeps you around. And hey, if you dig this, the stuff before and the stuff after, smash that like button. Let me know that you're there. Even better, subscribe. Catch y'all later. Now, folks, if you live in the St. Robert area and you've never checked out Uranus, you get yourself a mirror and ask yourself why not. Because Uranus, Missouri is a lot of fun. They've got a sideshow museum, circus freak, sideshow attractions type thing. Of course, there's the big Astro liner behind me. You can get yourself some fudge at the Uranus Fudge Factory. It's a blast. It is an interesting establishment, to say the least. They have a sporting goods store over here, firearms, fishing type stuff. A little gift shop. And they have a axe throwing establishment, which those things seem to be really popular nowadays. The axe home. And just across the way over here, they're putting in a miniature golf course. And I swear I'm going to be real freaking pissed if they don't call it the Uranus putt hole. That's all I got to say.